guys, how you doing? What's up? Bobby's here. I want to show you something that if you want to go fishing and you don't have fishing rod, or you forgot your fishing rod, or a bit expensive for you, so what you do is just grab some branch of tree stick. It's a magic stick, so you can find anywhere. So what you do is just put your fishing line in like this. You have to tie it. I will show you. Yeah, tie it. You have to be sure you have to tie it properly. This, guys. Yeah, that. And then you have to cut it. Then, yeah, you have to extend the length of the fishing line. It depends how long you want. You can put 1 meter, 2 meter. Depends to you. Yeah, got it. What you do here, the end of your fishing line, you have to put some float. You can put any float you want. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, here we go. We have a float, and after this one here, you can put any rigs you want. You can put sabiki rigs. You can put and then once you cast this out in the sea, if this float is going down, then that's the time that you fish on. When you have a strike, you have a fish. So let's go to the spot and we see if we have catch any fish. Bye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live.